In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish Shopify store quick and easy. If you want to take your storefront offline without deleting anything, the quickest and safest way is to enable password protection. This hides your site from the public while keeping all your products, settings, and orders intact. Customers who visit will see a password page instead of your storefront, and only people with the password can get in. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Once you're signed in, head to the home dashboard, so we're starting from a familiar place. From the left-hand navigation, find the Sales Channels section and choose Online Store. This is where you manage everything that faces your customers, including the setting that controls whether the store is publicly visible. Inside Online Store, click Preferences. Preferences collects key storefront settings, and it's where Shopify places the password tools you need. On the Preferences page, scroll until you see the Password Protection area. If it's collapsed, click to expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Here, look for the control that restricts store access and turn it on. This is the switch that effectively unpublishes your storefront by placing it behind a password. Right below, you'll see a field to set the actual password. Type a secure password that you can share with teammates or testers as needed. Avoid using anything obvious or sensitive. And remember that anyone with this password can view your store, so choose something you're comfortable distributing internally. You'll also see a message field for your password page. This short note is what visitors will read when they land on your site. It's a good place to explain that the store is currently closed, undergoing updates, or preparing for launch. Keep it friendly and informative, and don't include private details. A clear message reduces confusion and reassures visitors they're in the right place. When you've turned on password protection, set your password, and written your message, click Save. Saving applies the changes immediately. From now on, your storefront will show the password page to anyone who isn't logged into your admin and doesn't have the password. Your admin access, products, themes, and orders remain unchanged, and your billing or apps are not affected by this visibility change. That's it. Your Shopify store is now effectively unpublished. If you need to go live again later, return to the same password protection section and turn the control off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently hide your storefront while you